Hello, welcome back. This is going to be a quick fire video and it does not need a long intro at all. These two fine specimens are the Keikes from my rootless orchid. I will link that down below or put it in the info card as long as I don't forget. I separated them, wow, been 6 months. They look awesome. They are rooting to their new pot beautifully. I have a new root right here, as you can see. It just looks beautiful. They are in sphagnum moss, and I actually potted these correctly, not like my Sogo Mini. I have styrofoam down at the bottom for nice drainage. I made sure to lay them on top of the moss instead of like burying it down into it. There's a new root here too. There's that one that's dead, and I'm about to do my treatment where I just yank off that dead leaf skin. Root skin. Yeah, just gonna snatch that right off because it doesn't need to be there, and it doesn't need to have any potential to go rotten. Now, one of them is growing a new leaf. I found that later, a couple days after I shot this video. The leaves are doing really nice. I am very pleased with how they're doing. I think I lost one baby leaf long time ago, but it was nothing serious. So far so good. I did notice that there's some of that green stuff in the moss, but I believe it's okay. I think it's one of two, I don't know, like algae or cyanobacteria, which is not great, but I am not sure. So I'll research that a little bit. Look at that. I mean, it's so cool to be like how they reach in and start to dig themselves, in there. So, okay, I'm gonna put this in water, which I call bottom feeding. It's like paint drying looking at it, but the moss absorbs the water upwards instead of having to like try to re-wet the moss on the top, like through the top. And that's fine, you can do that, but to me it risks getting the, what is it called, water into maybe the leaves or up really close to the stem, which I guess it's not too bad around the stem, but definitely the leaves, that's where it's quite a bit of a no-no. All right, future Alexis, take it from here. Just some random updates, because I'm so excited. I have my very first spike. I'm so excited. This is the very first spike I've actually been able to get to grow. This is the water culture orchid that I put because it kept kept falling over. And look at all this root growth. These are actually what are they called, secondary roots. I have some new roots. I'm sorry, it's cloudy and raining today, so the visuals aren't very clear. Now this is a piece of bark that hasn't come off yet, and I'm not trying to pull it off. So I'm just so ecstatic. I have this root growing. And this one's coming in. And do I have a new one? Yep, I have this new one. So lots of root growth. And of course this new leaf. This one isn't doing anything. This one is doing really good. A lot of secondary roots. My favorite part is seeing the roots inside of the pot, and they're all green and juicy, and the root tips. My Melatoniopsis pansy orchid is doing very well. I see, like, I pulled off the old dead, I don't know what they're called, like skin, and now we have, now, I don't know the definitions of what these are, but I would say pseudobulbs. I'm going with pseudobulb, and it seems to be some root growth. Now right here, like, the roots seem to be pretty good, but you know, previous roots. This one, where is it? Where is it? I can't find it, I guess. I can't find it. This white one, I guess, is kind of new. Oh, right here. There it is. So, fresh roots. Excuse my dog. She's always so excited for orchids. So yeah. I'm only going to update these real quick on this video that I'm about to put out, and I'll update the other ones. Bye.